Let's transport ourselves deep into the cold, silent vacuum of space. Right now, in this explainer, we're investigating a viral cosmic mystery, one that beautifully blends cutting-edge astrophysics with some profoundly ancient spirituality. Imagine floating millions of kilometers away from Earth. Out there, it's complete darkness, no air, and, because space is a literal vacuum, absolute silence. Yet somehow, in this empty void, a rhythmic, unyielding pulse was detected, echoing through the cosmos. It's like a steady heartbeat, deep in the dark. Which leads us to a pretty fascinating question. Is the sound of Shiva Damru really echoing in space? See, when scientists released audio of this mysterious deep space signal, millions of people around the world listened. And a lot of them claimed to hear the distinct rhythmic beat of the Damru, that's the sacred drum of the Hindu deity Shiva. This viral moment sparked a massive conversation, really blurring the lines between ancient spirituality and hard, verified science. So, let's look at the science of pulsars to figure out what's actually going on here. The birth of a pulsar comes from a truly epic, violent life cycle. First, a massive giant star exhausts its fuel and dies in a catastrophic explosion, a supernova. Then, its core violently collapses under immense gravity. What's left behind is a hyperdense celestial body spinning at absolutely unimaginable speeds. We're talking hundreds of times per second. Astrophysicists actually refer to these hypermagnetized rotating neutron stars as cosmic clocks, and for good reason. They emit beams of electromagnetic radiation with staggering precision. I mean, think about it. Even the most advanced atomic clocks down here on Earth can occasionally drift. But some of these pulsars, they maintain a steady, unwavering beat for millions of years without missing a single millisecond. It is wild.
But that brings us to the illusion of space audio.
We have to confront a bit of a harsh scientific reality here. Space is a vacuum. Without air, sound waves simply cannot travel. So NASA didn't record an actual acoustic sound. Instead, radio telescopes captured silent electromagnetic radiation pulsing from the star. Scientists then used a really cool process called sonification. Basically, they assigned audible pitches to the varying intensities and frequencies of that light and radiation data. It's a scientific translation allowing our human ears to perceive that raw data as a rhythmic beat. Now, let's shift gears and explore the philosophy of vibration. Consider the ancient concept of nad. In Indian philosophy, Shiva Damru isn't just a musical instrument. It represents this massive idea that the universe didn't just originate from a primordial cosmic vibration, but fundamentally consists of it. Reality itself isn't just solid matter, it's continuous rhythmic energy. And this is where we see a brilliant intersection of two very different paradigms. Because modern science reveals continuous vibrations literally everywhere. In atoms, in the fiery hearts of stars, in swirling galaxies, and even within the very fabric of space-time itself. It's fascinating that thousands of years before quantum physics was even a blip on the radar, ancient thinkers were conceptualizing a universe built entirely on frequency and energy. Which brings a profound new context to the cosmic dance. In Hindu philosophy, the dance of Shiva, the Tandav, symbolizes an eternal cycle of creation, preservation, and transformation. And astoundingly, this directly mirrors the life cycle of the universe we just talked about. Stars are born, they live out their lifespans, they die in those explosive supernovas, and from their remnants, like our hyperdense pulsars, new cosmic materials are seeded to form entirely new celestial bodies. So, science and philosophy are really offering us two distinct lenses on the exact same reality here. Science provides the strict, verifiable data, silent pulsar signals, safely collected and mathematically converted to audio. Meanwhile, philosophy provides this awe-inspiring framework of a universe operating on a continuous underlying rhythm. Metaphorically speaking, they are strikingly parallel observations of our existence. Millions of years, the sheer scale of time here is just staggering. While entire human civilizations have risen and fallen, while empires were built and then totally erased from history, this steady cosmic heartbeat has continued in the dark, completely undisturbed. As the quote goes, NASA didn't record Shiva Damru, but the mysterious heartbeat of the pulsar forces us to realize the universe is far more rhythmic and mysterious than we imagined. Ultimately, both ancient philosophy and modern physics describe a reality defined by beautiful, continuous vibration. It definitely leaves us looking up at the stars with a newfound sense of wonder. So it makes you think, what other ancient metaphors might just be waiting for modern science to catch up?